even more exciting with these spooky-licious treats na ihanda ni Chef Krista Mendiola. Naku, bongga to Mars, meron tayong spider eggs, bloody cupcakes, and creepy crawlies and Dracula's blood.
Oh my gosh! Hi! Welcome back to Mars!
Good evening!
Ayan, Chef, where should we start?
Okay, so we'll start with the eggs first. Kasi kailangan niyang mag-absorb ng color. Okay. So, here, nagpakulo tayo ng water. Tapos, niluto natin yung eggs for about 6 minutes.
Okay.
Tapos, ipapasok natin, ayan, so, niluto natin yung eggs for 6 minutes. Tapos, we continue to cook the eggs for another 3 minutes. Pero, nilagyan na natin ng food coloring.
Grabe.
Food coloring. Pagkatapos ng 9 minutes, tatanggalin natin sa water yung eggs. Ganito yung kalalabasan niya. Okay. Pero dun pala sa 6 minutes, kailangan natin i-break.
Ayun.
So, gagamitan natin
i-crack mo siya.
So, para pag halfway na siya naluto,
Yes.
crack mo na siya ng very, very light.
Yes.
Okay.
Para magkaroon siya ng mga parang veins. Okay? So, pag nagkaroon na siya ng veins, bubuksan natin yung egg.
Magkakakulay na ngayon yung loob.
Yes, ganyan. Okay.
Galing!
Ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganyan. Kayo eh.
Kayang-kayang gawin ng kids.
Madali lang siya.
Pwedeng kainin.
Yes.
Bongga.
Dahil
Oo, kasi food
Hindi lang
safe
siya
naman
design.
siya eh.
Ayan. So, tatanggalin lang natin yung shell.
Oh my God.
Ayan na!
Hindi ko siya makain.
Next naman, here we have cupcakes. Okay, so hindi mo na
Store-bought.
yes,
Oo.
store-bought. And then the marshmallows also. What we do is we just put the marshmallows on top of the cupcakes like this. Okay, so
Yung sa cupcake po, is it ready to go or yung lulutuin pa rin po yung cupcake?
ano man, you don't have to cook, but if you want to bake your own cupcakes, why
Okay
not?
din naman.
Yes.
But you can actually
Yeah.
buy it. Marami naman, di ba?
Ang gawa
There.
na.
So, lalagay lang natin yung marshmallows on top of the cupcakes. There. And then, let's take some plate. Okay, like this. We put the cupcake sa platito.
Microwave.
Tapos, pasok natin sa microwave.
Mas mamimelt po siya.
Yeah, parang meron na siyang instant ano.
Yung pinakamalaking challenge yung paano mapastay yung cupcake, ay yung ano eh.
Yung marshmallow.
Marshmallow dun sa cupcake.
So, actually, pwede mong lagyan ng
Toothpick.
inside.
So parang s'mores lang po, parang
Yes, parang s'mores.
Yeah,
But
you're
inside a
gonna melt
microwave. So,
Okay lang din naman po kahit ibang color po yung
Lalaglag
ano
siya
eh.
pag-
marshmallow.
yes, pwede,
Yes,
pwede.
diba may pastel colors?
Oo, yun.
Nakabahan ako pag ganun ko, baka bumagsak yung mga ano.
Hindi, okay lang yan. And earlier, we already did. So melted
Ayun naman
na.
pala.
Here, the magic of TV.
Oo.
Okay, so paano natin siya gagawing spooky?
Oo.
Okay, so we take new toothbrush. Okay.
Make sure it's new.
Yes, make sure it's new. Okay, and then we just,
Okay na yan.
okay, so meron tayong red food color. Okay, here. Lalagay lang natin siya sa
One plate.
plate. Okay, and then we dip the toothbrush.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
and then what we do is, eto,
Yan
Parang
ang messy
blood po.
part. Parang
ganyan
blood.
natin siya.
like sparkles
Okay.
eh.
So there.
Yun.
So bloody
Parang
cupcakes.
blood,
Yeah,
blood stained.
splatter.
Oh, blood
Oo.
splattered. Yan.
Ganon. So, kayang-kaya to ng kids na hindi sila masusugatan.
Ayan.
Yes.
Diba?
At kung
Kaya ko
masugatan,
yan.
kaya mo yan, Mars.
Kaya
Hindi
niyo to.
masusugatan.
At kung masugatan ka, Mars, hindi halata.
Dapat pala ito. Hindi na nila alam yun. Kung ano yung food color.
Yan.
At kung anong real. Joke lang, chef.
Okay.
Kasi yung tawag na parang seryoso ka ba?
So,
Pakain. Basta mga bata yan.
so ito na yung ating bloody cupcakes. Okay. So, yan. And then, yung last natin gagawin is our drink.
Oh,
Which is, kayang-kaya pa rin ng kids to make. Kasi sobrang dali niya lang gawin. Mix-mix lang. For parents na hindi ina-allow yung kids nila uminom ng soft drinks, pwedeng gumamit ng strawberry juice or grape juice. Yon. Or meron namang sparkling white grape juice.
Meron,
Ayun.
masarap nga yun. Gusto
So,
nga yun ng
pwedeng
mga bata.
Imported yan, Mars.
Yes.
Pwedeng pang bata yun. So, ang gagawin natin for our drink is,
Oh, I love grenadine.
okay, so we have
Grenadine.
Masarap yan sa
Grenadine.
drinks
Shirley
na-
Temple.
Yes.
Soft
It's
drinks
kind
din
of
lang yun.
Ayan yun.
Ito yun.
Yan yun. Shirley Temple yan.
Yes, ito.
Cherry?
So,
Yes.
instead na
Pwede.
cherry yung lalagay natin, ang lalagay natin yung creepy crawlies. So, meron tayong gummy worms. Ayan. So, lalagay lang natin yung worms inside. There. Okay, there. Tapos, Dracula's blood.
Oo.
Okay? Yan. So, lalagay natin. Ganon.
Sa dami na nakagat ni Dracula, marami ng dugo yun by now. na
May mga
naipon.
patulo effect na,
Yes.
chef.
Tapos, lalagyan natin ng
Clear soda.
clear soda.
Ooh.
Red na.
Oh my gosh.
Easier to make lang talaga po.
Yan.
Ayan. See? So, it's so easy.
Ang saya.
Kayang gawin ng kids.
Opo.
Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, dagdagan pa natin. Here.
Ang sabit-sabit.
Oh, ayan yung...
Meron din mga ganyan na gummies na gagamba.
Correct.
Yes.
Mars.
Yun.
lang kayo.
Minsan they come out in different kapag Halloween
Totoo
kasi
nga.
Mars.
Perfect.
Tikman na yan.
Go, go, go.
Mmm.
Great, tears.
Shut up! Kamusta?
Malapit na. Sorry po.
The struggle is real.
Pang Halloween talaga.
Oh, sarap.
Tikman
Naging
ko
makulat
nga
yung
yan,
marshmallow, pero ang sarap.
After a while,
That's good.
Ang saya. Tsaka kakaiba yung kinakain. Oh, thank you so much, Chef.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Chef, where can they find you?
Oh, I have an Instagram at Home Chef Mom. Yon. I post mga there, mga crafts. Yon, for parents and kids to make.
Oh, nice. Hindi lang luto-luto.
Yes.
Ibang craft, Chef.
What's the IG account again, Chef?
At Home Chef Mom.
At Home Chef
yes.
Mom. Ayan.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, Chef!
Thank you.